Hello folks, Total Protection, Mr. Hughes back with you at Total Protection Pro Wrestling Academy in McDonough, Georgia, shooting our first YouTube video for future superstars and trainers on the right etiquette of professional wrestling. We will properly teach you how to drop kick right to the skull, properly give you a headlock, properly take you over the top rope. Anything pertaining to professional wrestling, that's what we'll do here at Total Protection Pro Wrestling Academy. Also, too, we'll be doing shows each and every first or the last of the month, and they're free, by the way. And, of course, the videos that you'll be seeing uploaded will be on our YouTube channel. So all you got to do is subscribe and like. And also, too, I'm Total Protection Mr. Hughes. I teach you how to wrestle.